Kinu, shingapi za kinu hichi? Beautiful, right? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Bagara X. All right, so right now we are on the way to Dodoma. So we are here at Mkata. You know, this is it. So we're here to buy meat. I mean, the goat meat. Let me show you guys what it is. Wow. Mpige picha. Mimi naangalia mizigo maana. Kwako iko wapi? Kwako iko wapi? Hichi ngapi? Huyu wote ni 160. Unauza kwa kilo au unauza tu kwa kumuonekano? Kwa muonekano. Huyu 100 ngapi umesema? 160. Na huyu 120. Kiubavu au lolote? Mbona mna bei kubwa? Yaani huyu 160, 120, huyu 95. Kweli, wewe babu. Huyu ndo kwako wewe. Mimi ndo niko na mzee yule. Mzee haja kuunganisha. Haina noma mwanangu. Mimi niko YouTube. Hauna smartphone unione? Hauna charge? Ungekuwa nayo mmoja hapo ingekuiona. Hii hapa ipo. Njoo nimuonyeshe nimwandikie. Bado hauna ndugu yangu hata la kuandika tu. Bado sina. Acha nikuandikie hata kwenye message. Kama anajitumia message. Alafu baadaye ukipata bando, ukisearch tu mimi hapa kwenye YouTube unanikuta. Na hii video yenyewe utaiona. Mzee kule nataka nifungue. Hapo. Hivi tu hivi Mbogoro X. Sasa shida hapa nimeandika message. Amna sina nini ile inaitwa kupiga hivi. Basi. Tayari nishamwandikia. Poa. All right guys, man. So this is the place where we usually get meat. All right, so the meat there, they told me that it's 160,000 shillings, 120,000 shillings, 96,000 shillings. So it depends on the size. Ambie mdogo wangu. Unauza nini? Kinu. Shingapi za kinu hichi? Kwa ajili gani? Garlic. Ungegongea garlic ile. Okay. Na wewe Atenze. Anambia hichi mimi bana sipiki. Ndio bana pika ningekuungiza mdogo wangu, ningekuungiza. Hata hii pia ningekuungisha lakini sasa mimi sipiki. Hii kwa ajili ya chapati au ningili kukaa. Hichi guys, this is for the chapati. Shingapi unauza hicho? 15,000. So 15,000, 5,000. Mwiko 3,000. Na hii mikubwa, the big ones. Na huyu bwana afro. So 3,000, 4,000. Na hii 3,000. Sasa nyinyi mnasoma muda gani ndugu zangu? Likizo. Okay. Unasoma wapi? Wapi sasa unasoma wapi? Unajisomea vipi? Wewe unasoma wapi? Imani. Ni shule iko hapa Mkata. Basi sawa vijana. Saa moja sasa. Nikija siku nyingine ndawaongesha hivi. Mimi napita naenda hivi nikirudi nawaongesha. Kwa hiyo msijali. All right guys, so this is Mkata as you can see right here. So over there is a butcher Mbuzi. It's a place where you buy goat meat. Today I'm traveling with my dad over there. So we are traveling going to Dodoma. via Dar es Salaam. So we're gonna go to Dar es Salaam first, and then we're gonna head to Dodoma. We're gonna see our little baby first, and then we're gonna go to Dodoma. Okay, guys. Nataka ununue meza nini? Meza yote hiyo utaipeleka wapi? Meza Tanga sawa. Sasa hapa ndo nzuri. All right, man. So we're here, man. So we want to get some lunch. Oh my goodness, it's been a long journey, man. You know, from Tanga to here, it's not a joke. I mean, so okay, KK Plaza, Msata. So we're here in Msata. Let's check it out what they have and see. Karibuni. Ah man, there's a like mini supermarket here. Wow. You can find everything. Kuna ugali pia. Ugali upo? Kwani wewe chakula changu kwa pilau au biriani? Huyo sasa mwenzake anakula kwa masharti. Au pilau. Mimi nakula tofauti. Huyu akipata pilau mimi nakula. Mimi nakula tu. Mimi sina tatizo la kula. Huyu hapa akipata huyu chakula chake ujue huyu mimi nakula. Mimi nakula chochote. Wale wanazi mimi ningeutaka, lakini sasa huyu ndo wale. Huko kuna nini huko? All right, guys. My dad he has a specific type of food that he eats. So over there, they have a good food, food I can eat, but he cannot eat. So I probably have to go in a place where he can eat. All right, man. So we decided to come out here and check out this place. Look at this, man. Wow. This is beautiful, right? Okay, so let's check it out what they have here and see if we can get something that he wants. Oh, hii buffet, man. Pilau hamna, man. Yeah, so we're here in Mkata. For me, I can eat anything, but for my father, he has a specific type of food that he eats. So when we travel, he usually likes to eat pilau. I don't know, maybe it balances sugar compared to coconut rice or something different. Yeah, but for me, I'm good. So let me see. He went to the toilet. Let me see what he's gonna choose. Whatever he's gonna choose, I'm gonna have it. But it's good to follow his diet. I mean, let me switch off the car. It's already cool off enough. Oh man. just arrived at Dar es Salaam. As you can see, as usual, traffic all the way. Hey Travis, Mambo. What? All right. So you wanna hold the camera? You wanna hold the camera? All right, you can hold it. All right, guys. So this is Travis. Hey Travis, you good? You wanna hold the camera? You can hold it. Okay. So, oh, cool. Sasa wewe nisubiri, mimi nachukua napeleka. All right, let me get. Can you hold this mic? You wanna say something?
Sawa. Wow, I like this mic. Wow, oh, this is good. I think. Yeah. Oh, the thing. The Tanga just okay.
So, what do you wanna tell me?
Okay, now let's go.
Hey guys, so we just arrived in Dar es Salaam at my family place. So the person who opened the door for us was Travis, my nephew, and so I just take the bed. It's upstairs where they are living, and this bed is very historic. I would say that maybe this bed is generational right now because this bed here, the first person to use it was my nephew, Travis, and after that my daughter used it, and now my niece, she's going to use it, and so it's such a golden bed. So anyway, and so we're here to see my nephew and my niece, my newborn niece, and it's a wonderful day, man. So I decided to leave the camera to Travis and apologize for seeing how the video is shaking so much. I mean, that's Travis, and I think he's doing a good job, as young as he is, you know. So enjoy the video, guys. Keep watching the video.
There's someone here trying to beat me up. Can you come real quick? Ah! The bike. What's going on? Come on. No. Mom. Uncle Daddy's here. Anna. Uncle Justy.
Hello. All right, so right now we are figuring out on how to connect the bed and where we should put it. So we are also waiting for my dad, I mean their grandfather, to come up. And so I decided to leave the camera to Travis completely. So as you can see, the video will be shaking a little bit way more. So yeah, so so as you can see there, there's a bit commotion in the video, but it's just that I mean I was still bringing bed frames upstairs from the car. The bed looks small, but it's hard work, man. It's a big bed. you know for some reason it was a big bed. It looks small for the baby, but it's not really small because the wooden is not like Chinese wood. I mean, this is a natural wood. It's an old bed, so the wood, I think the Tanzanian, they understand the old wood. Usually it's very heavy. Back in the day, people never really use. I'm about to. So this is the bed for the baby, for your sister, for your little sister. Okay, so let me you know, joined all this together so that the baby can have a comfortable place to sleep, tonight. All right, guys. I'm here in Dar es Salaam, right here, man. This is the neighborhood. This is where they are. Okay. Hii kwa ajili ya YouTube channel yangu. Wewe nishikie tu. Mimi hapa najiona. Shika hivi, shika hivi. Wewe pale uko unanitoa mimi. They use very heavy trees, some kind of very hardwood. So the bed frame is very heavy. Yeah, so kind of this almost the same like a big bed you will have right now. Nowadays you have these beds which are very light, but not this. It's very heavy frame. Yeah, I think that's why it stays long. It's been around a couple of years since Travis was born. Now Malika was born, and then now Thailand. She's born now. She's around, so she's also gonna be using that bed. So yeah, here is Travis. Travis acting crazy with the camera. Yeah, that's my boy, man. And he loves cartoon too. Yeah, here is me working on the bed. Work in progress. Work in progress, guys. Okay. Let's keep working, man. Let's keep working. I got this one. So the next day we proceed with our journey, and we went to see another family on the way to Morogoro because they are living on the way. So you can watch the next video to be able to see that. And so we already finished connecting the bed. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.